65 million years ago, the world belonged to giants. But in the shadows of the great and terrible lived the small and hungry. This is Bluey. 3 ounces of feathers, 2 very yellow feet, and 1 very big appetite. But Bluey is not alone. Her flock watches from the ferns, waiting, hoping, judging probably. Soon the sky will darken, the world will change, the giants will fall. But the small ones, the ones with feathers and fast wings and stubborn little hearts, they will survive. They will change. They will become hummingbirds. And they will still be chasing bugs.